When a tenant violates the lease, how you respond in the first 24 to 48 hours matters more than most landlords realize. A documented, prompt, legally correct response protects your right to eventually terminate the tenancy if the problem continues. An angry text or informal conversation gives you almost nothing to work with in court. Here's the process. Step 1, document before anything else. Photos, video, written notes, complaint logs, date stamp everything. Write a brief internal memo that day. What you observed, when, and how you found out. Step 2, serve a written notice. A verbal warning is not legally sufficient for eviction purposes. The standard notice for most lease violations is a cure or quit, giving the tenant a specified number of days to correct the problem or vacate. The time frame depends on your state. 3 days in California, 10 days in New York and Illinois, 7 in Florida and Georgia. The notice must describe the violation specifically, reference the lease provision, state the deadline, and be served correctly. A vague notice is legally defective. Now, is the violation curable or not? Most are curable. An unauthorized pet, an unauthorized occupant, excessive noise, these can be fixed. Incurable violations, drug manufacturing, intentional property damage, repeat violations of the same provision after prior cure. Get an unconditional quit notice instead. The tenant must vacate, no second chance. If the notice period expires without compliance, file the unlawful detainer promptly. Delays signal that you've tacitly accepted the continued violation. And if the tenant cures but then repeats the same violation, document it carefully. Most states allow an unconditional quit notice for a second offense of the same issue. That paper trail, each notice, each cure, each recurrence, is what makes that argument stick in court. TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Find tenants with a history of honoring their lease before the first violation ever happens.